So this is Neptune Ultra, new IFB dishwasher. So we will be showing how to run a test mode in this model. So before running test mode, we will show you the buttons. So this is power button, and this is option button. This is OK. This is delay button. These are the option button to change the program or options, and this is start button. To run test mode in this model, what we have to do is first switch on the dishwasher. It will show you hello here. Just wait. Once that hello will disabled, so you'll have to press the OK button for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is showing secret program. Then it is showing last test and test. So it is the previous test which was running in this model. Then we'll have to change this from this arrow button. It is showing BLDC motor controller because this machine has a BLDC motor. Then again press this button. It will show service test. Then simply press start button and your test mode started. So it is showing SP, that means test mode started. Then for 6 seconds it will show the first error which was there in the machine. Then it will go for the further test mode steps. So this is how you'll have to run test mode. Thank you so much. Now we will understand the options available in this Neptune Ultra model. So first we'll switch on the dishwasher. After switching it on, so you can see it menu for 3 seconds. So we will be going into menu. To go into menu, we'll have to press option and delay button all together for 3 seconds. Now it is showing 3 and done. Now you can see this is the first is language. So it has by default English in this dishwasher. So we will request you do not change this language, because the language which this machine is having you will not be able to understand. Next, it has water hardness. So this is for salt setting. To change salt setting, press OK, and then you can say L1. From here you can change the salt setting from 1 to 6, and to save the setting just press OK. It will show stored. So this setting is saved now. To go to the next option menu, change it from here. It is showing rinsor setting. Similarly, you can change the rinsor setting by pressing OK and then change buttons. The next option we have, this is volume. For this buzzer volume, you can change the volume. So press OK and you can change the volume level from 0 to 3. This is stored. The next option is brightness. For display brightness, you can also change the display brightness in a similar way. And then you have save power mode. In this mode, machine will disable the display. So it will work like in microwave we have power save mode. And then next, factory setting, no. If you want to reset the dishwasher, you can reset it from here. And then next, exit menu. To exit from this menu, you can press OK. It is by default coming back to the normal mode. Or you can directly press these two options, these two buttons to come into the come back into the normal mode. So this is how you'll be changing the modes in this dishwashers.